Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to change the egg hatching speed on your Palworld server. But before we proceed with that, it is very important to note two things. The first thing is to know that changing the egg hatching speed, the eggs that you have actually inside incubators, when changing those settings, will need to be removed from the incubators and put back inside. Only then will the timer update. And number two, before we proceed with making any changes to the server, it is very important that the server is offline when making changes. So when you log into your Pine hosting game panel, the first thing you're gonna need to do is click on the stop button right here. Now that our server is offline, the next thing we'll need to do is head over to the server config. This is where you actually need to find and edit the setting. But to find it, instead of looking through a list of all the settings available in the game, we're gonna just go ahead and search it with a keyword here. We're gonna just enter egg. And as you can see, we have it right here. Now this is of course the default time. The default is 72 hours, and that is reflecting real-time hours, not in-game hours. So when you're changing this, keep in mind that this is reflecting real time. And this timer will also vary depending on the rarity of the egg. Some eggs may hatch sooner and some eggs may take the full amount of 72 hours to hatch. We're gonna change this to, let's say, 1 hour. But of course, you can change this to whatever time you want. And finally, to save the changes, we're gonna click on the save button right here. If for whatever reason you wish to restore this to the original default, just click on this restore button right here, and it will tell you the actual default to re-enter it. Now that we have saved our changes, we can finally go back into our console tab here and start the server. And just like that, we have changed the egg hatching time on our Palworld server. If you require any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.